Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the MCQ of remote sensing, especially in elements of remote sensing. So the first question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, topology describes the geometric characteristics of object which do not change under transformations and other independent of any coordinate system. Option B, topological characteristics of an object are independent of scale measurement. Option C, the three elements of topology is urgency, containment and connectivity. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, in remote sensing technique the observation place is called platform. Option B, platforms may be either stationary or mobile. Option C, spatial resolution of imaging system becomes poorer with increase of platform height. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. So next question, the formation of snow occurs if the cloud temperature is option A, just above the freezing point, option B, at freezing point, option C, below the freezing point, option D, none of this. So the correct answer is option C, below the freezing point. So next question, coherence of two electromagnetic waves takes place if their phase difference is option A, constant in time, option B, constant in space, option C, constant in time and space, option D, none of this. So the correct answer is option C, constant in time and space. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, Indian Space Efforts Standard is 1962, which establishment of the rocket. Option B, Development of Space, that is DOS, was established by Government of India in 1972. Option C, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is responsible for the space technology and its application to various activities. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, for the same feature the photograph taken from the satellite vertically above the aircraft, the height displacement is lesser than the aerial photograph. Option B, the scale of the aerial photograph depends upon the scale of topography. Option C, the features at the principal point has no height displacement. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, the coherence length over which there is a strong relationship between amplitude is option A, directly proportional to the bandwidth, option B, inversely proportional to the bandwidth, option C, the square of the bandwidth, option D, none of this. So the correct answer is option B, inversely proportional to the bandwidth. So next question, repetitive observations of the same area at equal interval of time are used to monitor the dynamic phenomena. Option A, cloud evaluation, option B, vegetative cover, option C, snow cover, option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, which one of the following parameters is considered to determine the reflectance of the vegetation canopy? So option A, the solar zenith angle, option B, azimuth angle, option C, look angle, option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, the perfectly black body, option A, is diffuse the emitter, option B, observe all the radiations of every wavelength, option C, emits power every wavelength, option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all above. So next question, the sensor IFOV is proportional to the option A, sine square, option B, cos square, option C, secant square, option D, tan square. So the correct answer is option C, secant square. So next question, which of the following is the correct statement? Option A, the vertical section of the soil extending into the parent material is called profile. Option B, the layers of the soil parallel to the earth surface are called horizons. Option C, the transitional layer between two adjoining horizon is called boundary. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, in case of reflection and refraction of electromagnetic radiation, option A, the angle of incidence equal to angle of refraction. Options B, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Option C, angle of refraction equal to sum of angle of incident and refraction. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option B, angle of incident to the angle of reflection. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. So option A, the minimum frequency of light for which no electrons are emitted is called threshold frequency. Option B, polarizing angle is the glass 57.5 degree. Option C, at the polarizing angle the reflected and refracted rates are orthogonal. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, which one of the following factor does not affect the scale of the air photographs? So option A, the focal length. Option B, flying height. Option C, ground elevation. Option D, none of this. So the correct answer is option D, none of this. So next question, which one of the following statement regarding remote sensing is correct? Option A, the interaction of the electromagnetic radiation with the target. Option B, the emission of electromagnetic radiation from the target. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. So next question, the optical property of water body depends on option A, absorption by the dissolved material. Option B, absorbed by the suspended particulate matter. Option C, scattering by the suspended particulate matter. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, the frequency is the number of waves creased passing the fixing point of 1 second. Option B, the frequency of wave measured by the hertz. Option C, amplitude of the wave height is cursed from the midpoint. Option C, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, the object of photo interpretation is option A, identification. Option B, recognition of objects. Option C, judging the significance of object. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, which one of the following statement is correct regarding the GPS satellites? Option A, the nominal amplitude is about 20,200 km. Option B, the inclination axis of satellite is 55 degree. Option C, the satellite transmit two L band signals, L1 with 1575.42 MHz and L2 with 1276.6 MHz. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, which one of the following statement is correct? Option A, during the day earth reflects solar radiation. Option B, during the day earth reflects both solar radiation and emission from its surface. Option C, during night earth emits radiation from the surface. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer is option D, all of this. So next question, remote sensing technique make use of the properties of dash emitted, reflected or diffracted by the sensed objects. Option A, electric waves. Option B, sound waves. Option C, electromagnetic waves. Option D, wind waves. So the correct answer is option C, electromagnetic waves. So next question, the amplitudinal distance of geostationary satellite from the earth is about option A, 26,000 km. Option B, 30,000 km. Option C, 36,000 km. Option D, 44,000 km. So the correct answer is option C, 36,000 km. So next question, the ratio of total solar radiation energy returned by the planetary body to the total radiant energy incident of the body is called option A, reflectance. Option B, reflectance factor. Option C, albedo. Option D, none of this. So the correct answer is option C, albedo. So next question, crab average and production estimation, that is CAPE, was founded in taken up in the 1983 by option A, USA. Option B, European Union. Option C, Russia. Option D, India. So the correct answer is option D, India. So next question, a time varying electromagnetic field produces the magnetic field. The phenomenon is called option A, Hertz law. Option B, Ampere Maxwell's law. Option C, Faraday's law. Option D, Maxwell's law. So the correct answer is option B, Ampere Maxwell law. So next question, the changes in the reflectivity, emissivity with the time is called option A spectral variation, option B spatial variation, option C temporal variation, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option C temporal variation. So next question, which one of the following helps to identify the object on the earth's surface? Option A atmospheric window, option B signature, option C radiometric error, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option B signature. So next question, which one of the following quantities forms the basics of radiometry? Option A radiant energy, option B radiant flux, option C radiant intensity, option D all of this. So the correct answer is option D all of this. So next question, the refractive index of the ocean water is option A increase with salinity, option B increase with temperature, option C decrease with salinity, option D decrease with temperature. So the correct answer is option A increase with salinity. Next question, the normal altitude of the GPS satellite is about option A 16,200 km, option B 20,200 km, option C 24,400 km, option D 36,100 km. So the correct answer is option B 20,200 km. So next question, geodemeter is based on option A propagation of modulated light waves, option B propagation of infrared radiation, option C the visible light of carrier with frequency in order to 5 into 1014 Hz, option D high frequency radio waves. So the correct answer is option A propagation of modulated light waves. So next question, DGPS based on the concept that bias errors in the position of location in the given area the same if the distance within option A 25 km, option B 50 km, option C 75 km, option D 100 km. So the correct answer is option D 100 km. So next question, the GPS space segment consists of navigation, satellite, timing and ranging whose number is option A 8, option B 12, option C 16, option D 24. So the correct answer is option D 24. So again we will see in next video. Thank you.